Basic operation. This tutorial explains how to operate your 1x2. Short press the power button to turn on the 1x2. Press the shutter button to start recording or take a photo. Short press the power button to turn on or off the touchscreen. Long press for 2 seconds to shut down. Swipe down to change settings. Swipe up to switch modes. Swipe left to adjust parameters. Swipe right to access the gallery. Tap the icon on the center right to switch to the front or rear lens. Tap the icon on the center left to switch lens modes. Tap bottom right to set timer in photo mode. Tap the icon on the bottom left to switch shooting modes. Tap the parameters at the bottom to adjust resolution and FPS.